Everyone, my name is Sunshine, and I have decided that it's time for me to venture into the world of wig wearing. And I previously posted a video explaining who I am, what I'm doing, and I did purchase two wigs, and this is my very first purchases of wigs. The first one was a Raquel Welch synthetic wig. And so you can go look at that video if you want to see how that turned out. And then this wig I'm going to unbox with you all is a Hairvivi wig. And I implore you to kind of give me your tips and tricks. Tell me what you think. I noticed that there's a plethora of videos out there of women trying on wigs and showing you what looks nice, and they're gracious enough to tell you all the ins and outs of these wigs, but I haven't really found any where someone is starting out in the very beginning. And so I am in the very beginning stages. I've never worn a wig. I did work up to this point by wearing extensions first. I do have some hair loss and my hair is super thin. And so you can go back to that other video where I unboxed the Raquel Welch wig and you'll see all the things that I've tried. But I've tried Rogaine, Nutrafol. I have all the types of shampoos and oils that you typically see. And I do have some hair growth. You can see that for about a year now, this has been growing back in. It will not grow in full and thick. I will still have thin hair, thin, fine hair when it's all done. And currently I do wear extensions, but I only wear them from here to here, and I have one row, and it just helps with my hair when it's down. But I do have enough of my own hair to cover mostly the extensions that are sew-in extensions. All right, so I'm gonna put on the other camera and we're gonna unbox this Hairvivi wig, and we'll see which one looks better. And so you can look at the synthetic one. This is real human hair. And give me 1 second. I'm going to turn on the camera so you can see me opening the actual wig. All right. So here we are. We're going to open up the wig. Here's the box. I literally have not opened it. I was super duper excited. Got these 2 days ago. But I was waiting to do this recording before I actually open them. All right, so it has some paper around it. Here's the pretty box with a bow. And see. All right. I do have some suggested steps to ensure your Hairvivi wig is ready to wear. So I did choose Hairvivi because they have the pre-plucked hairline and the lace and the bleach knots, because on women with fair skin, it needs to be super, super, and even darker skin, they bleach theirs as well. But I was super concerned about being able to see those little tiny dots on the wig itself that will make it look extra fake. But as I mentioned in the other, I wear other things that I know people know are fake, but it doesn't bother me. I don't know why I'm stuck on being bothered that people will know I'm wearing a wig. All right, so it's taped up. Don't want to mess up that tape, because if I don't like it, I am able to send it back. So here's the wig itself. It is a little bit longer, but if I do like this, and it's darker, if I do like this, I do plan on going to a salon to get it cut, because in the pictures, it's all one length, and I would like some face framing layers. All right, comes with a bag to hold the wig. It's a silk bag, which I wear something similar at night to protect my hair and my extensions that I currently have in. It's personal stylist card. guess perhaps they'll help you. Two little bags here. The first one is a clip. I guess you can put these in to the wig itself to help tighten it. And it has little clips to hold in your hair, which are super light. But I guess it's good enough to hold your hair if you have hair to hold it into. And then the second one comes with cute little barrette clips, I guess, to hold your hair back as you're styling it. And there's some paper in here, but I don't think it does anything. All right, so put all this back and get to the wig itself. This one is in the mesh as well. It does have a piece to kind of keep it head shaped. It has the mesh to protect it. It does feel silky and nice. So did the synthetic one. This feels just like my extensions. My extensions are human hair as well. Let's see. The knots are bleached. I feel like the part is a little bit wider than the synthetic one, but it seems to look nice on my finger. So you would assume it would be okay for my scalp. You can put heat to these wigs as well, and you can style it as you see fit. This lace here, you're supposed to be able to cut once it's on your head. And the pre-plucked hairline is supposed to look more natural. So here it is in the other camera. And you can see it against my skin. It kind of melts away, but it is a longer part and it's wider. And then here's the mesh, or the lace, I should say. All right, let's try this on. Again, the way that we put these on is you kind of dip your head into it. And you know what? The density of this one feels less than the Raquel Welch one, and I would have to look them up to see if this, if it really is a stents on purpose. There is a clip on the bottom that is my understanding can be removed if you so choose. There are, I think, what they call piano clips. I think that's what this is, that can tie or clip right into the base to make this tighter or looser. And then this piece is adjustable and it grips right to the bottom of your hair, the back of your hair, and it does stretch. So this little bun that I have, you can pull it back underneath the bun and you're able to part this different ways. Let me just tell you, this little clip, it is super flexible, and I'm assuming it's for comfort, but I was expecting it to be hard. All the ones that I've seen, I don't know, I just expected to be like a comb clip that are much harder, but these are soft enough because you're wearing it for extended periods of time, so I think it would be comfortable. All right, here we go. Okay, I have it on and I'm trying to find that clip and put it underneath my little ponytail, which I actually like that better than no clip because it kind of makes it feel like I'm holding it in place better. All right, so you see that it's pretty far back. So I'm going to bring it forward to get behind my hairline, which I still think you can see it. Hmm. I don't like, what is this? Oh, I have left that stupid clip in. Hold on. All right. I don't like that this is bubbly right here, but it's my understanding that happens sometimes when you pull the wig out of the box, but you can take heat to it and kind of flatten that out. Trying to adjust it in the back so my own hairline doesn't show. See my hairline all over the place. So what I would do based on what I've learned is that I can take this got to be glue, I can spray it, and then I can comb it back with one of these combs. It's a boar brush. Perfect for all. I think that's what it said, boar. Bristle. Yeah, boar bristle brush. And I can comb it and it will stick back with this. The part does not, there, it is, you do have the ability to part it, but I would certainly need heat. But it does look like my scalp, so I guess that's good. I can't get it quite day. Let's see what the back looks like. This is where my ponytail is. I feel like with the extensions, it's not as easily hidden because the extensions kind of put bulk to my hair. But this does feel nicer behind my ears. The other one was a little bit bulkier. The lace on this wig comes all the way down to my ears. So I will be able to cut it. So if I wanted to wear it up, I could. Man, I just have a hard time keeping it in place. I don't know if that means that it's too big or what does that mean? Do I need to tighten it? Do I need to put the extra clips that came in the bag, please? Do I put these in so it can stay in place? I did order the small cap, hoping that it would work properly. One thing I don't like about these, about the wigs in general, I've noticed that a lot of them have like a, kind of like an orange tint. Can you see that? An orange tint to the hairline. And I guess from afar, it's, you know, it's no big deal. But to me, I see that. And I personally wouldn't part this, I think, in the middle. I would put like a slight part. But I would have to spray it and do some magic things to it. This certainly, I don't think, is a glueless, meaning I have to do something. Because every time I put this behind my ears, it pops up. Granted, I'm going to cut all of that off, but then you would see my own hair. So I would have to glue all of that down and pull it. But I can also cut this. If it's too big, I can cut this around my ears so it will fit nicely because everybody's ears is in a different spot. Okay, what do y'all think? See, this is too long for me. I think I bought the 16-inch, but I like this one better than the other one. I think it's more, so what I've read or what I've seen is a lot of people purchase their first wig closest to their own hair. And so that's why I purchased this particular one, because it is closest to my own hair. And I do feel that it just looks more natural. But I need to figure out all the stuff, which I will do with you all. So I think what I'm going to do is, this one is the one that I like. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to keep this one, and then I will cut the lace, glue it down, perhaps get a wig grip, or glue it to the wig cap. Not to the wig cap, but get the wig cap to hold all of this down. Take out my extensions and do all the things. All right, friends. I appreciate you going on this journey with me. Tell me all your tips and tricks. Tell me what I did wrong. Is this not staying because it's too big? Is it too small? Do I have to glue it in? Like, what am I missing here? But at the end of the day, I do think that the hairline looks pretty good. That was my biggest concern in wearing any wig, is that it will look fake here and here. But these two that I did a lot of research, I think they both would work. But here we are. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe. Talk to me. Tell me all your things. Peace out.